Paolo Del Noce. You are Chief Sales Officer of Akkodis. What's up in this air show?
Well, we are here. We were waiting to be here because this show doesn't happen 2 years ago because of the pandemic, and we are now in Le Bourget to meet again with our customers across the world, which was not that possible in the last years because of the pandemic. We are here to present what we do in the engineering, in the smart engineering. What is smart engineering? We have a 40 years old history within engineering with our aerospace customers. I mean, we have developed, we have participated to the development of all the aircrafts in the last years. We have added in the last year all what comes from digital. We have now a very big amount of competencies in digital, in IT, in software development, in data management, etc. Because we perfectly know that what our customers need now is, on top of what they were needing so far, also what comes from the data management, from the services for which the data management is needed. And we are now able to supply that to our customers. We have, as I told, a 40 years old history, which gives us the capability of knowing what an aircraft is, but also we are able to develop the aircraft of the future. We are able to develop the services that are now needed for these aircraft. For example, we work in innovation like the unmanned aircraft. We are developing an electric landing gear. We are working in all what is needed as an innovation in the aerospace world. We are 50,000 engineers across the world, over 35 countries, which means that we are able to follow our customers wherever they need, pretty much everywhere in the world. We are big in Europe, of course, because originally we are from Europe, but we are big in North America, we are big in Asia, we have 4,000 people in Japan, so it is quite easy for us to reply to the requests from our customers because we have already done it in terms of competencies, but also of locations where it is needed from our customers.
What are your innovation projects, your own projects?
We don't have, well, our particular aim is not to get an ownership of our process, because what we deliver to our customers are competencies. So the IP normally is for the customer. We give them the competencies they need to develop their IP. But we have worked, and if you look at our booth, we have some examples of our innovations. We can work, for example, in a new green aircraft we present in this booth. We worked in data management projects in terms of engineering or of manufacturing or even of traffic control. All these are examples of what we can do, but again, it's important to know that those are not our IPs, those are our competencies. We develop competencies, we develop people, we develop know-how.
And how do you manage to attract talent?
Oh, this is probably the most tricky question to raise this now, right now. It's important for us to create a world where people are happy to work in. It's a matter, of course, of projects, so we need to let people know which projects we are working on, because engineers today are looking at an interesting project to work on. We need to let them understand that if they come with us, they can work on interesting projects. So Natalie, for example, is working a lot on these kind of things. Second thing is, once they are with us, they know that they will be followed, they will be trained, they will be developed. It is important for them to understand that in the future, even if the world changes, and this just happened, but it will happen again in the future, we can transform their know-how in order to stay at a glance, to stay where they need to stay to be again in the working world.
Thank you very much.